Ever stumbled upon a comment that made you laugh, think, or feel inspired? We know how frustrating it is to hit the like button and then spend hours trying to find the comments you've liked on Instagram. This is why we've created this simple step-by-step video to help you avoid all the guesswork. Step 1. Access your Instagram account. You can do this either on your phone or your computer. Step 2. Go to your Activities section. Here, you'll find a lot of information, but we'll be focusing on finding the comments you've liked. Step 3. Requesting the data. This is where you'll ask Instagram to compile everything you've liked, including liked comments. This step could take up to a few hours, but Instagram usually has the file ready within a few minutes. You'll receive an email from Instagram once the data is ready to be downloaded. Step 4. Download the file Instagram sends over. Locate the likes folder, and inside, you'll find the liked_comments file. This is where you'll find all the comments you've liked. And there you have it, a simple guide to finding your liked comments on Instagram. It's like a walk down memory lane, but with a digital twist. We hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to visit our website for more useful social media tips. Thanks for watching.